my daily exercises. Ayan. Have a nice day, everyone. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang mag-shower, guys. And look, this is my sample beauty. Ayan, guys. Ayun, mag-aayos na naman tayo, guys. Hi, hello there. Kumusta po ang lahat? Have a nice day. I hope you enjoy my videos, guys. Ayan, please do subscribe my channel, guys. Ayan, and to watch my videos. Ayan po. I hope you will enjoy my videos, guys. You will like it. Ayan. Ayan, I have a lot of videos, guys. Ayan, I'm sure you will like it because it's all about my fashion. Ayan, it's all about my fashion, guys. Ayan, modeling. Ayan, modeling career. Ayan po. Ayan guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Ayan. And I'm feeling free, fresh. Fresh na fresh tayo guys. Ayan, look. Ayan, diba? I really love it. My pambahay outfit for today. Ayan guys, yung ating pambahay outfit for today. Ayan, diba? Alam nyo ba guys kung magkano lang to? Yung aking top. Yung aking top guys, 150 pesos. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. O diba? Ayan. Kahit mga mumurahin lang siya guys. Ayan. Alam mo ba kung magkano tong shorts ko guys? 50 pesos. Ayan, sa ukay lang yan siya guys. Sa ukay siya. Ayan kasi mahilig. Ayan, hindi naman ako maarte guys. Ayan, mahilig din ako sa mga ukay. Basta sa tingin kong bago pa lang siya guys. Ayan, bago pa lang at nagustuhan ko, ayan, bibilihin ko talaga yan. So, ayan. O, diba? Feeling fresh na naman tayo, guys. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. My mini vlog for today. My pambahay outfit for today. Ayan. O, diba? Kasi mainit yung panahon, guys. Kailangan natin fresh yung ating feeling. Ayan. Kailangan natin ng sleeveless. O, diba? Pack na pack yan. I really love it. O, diba, guys? Simpleng ayos lang yan, guys. Ayos pambahay lang yan. O, diba? Ang ganda. I really love my guys. So, ang ganda niya. Tsaka yung aking hair, guys. Curly, curly hair. I really love it.